In today's rapidly evolving technology landscape, one thing is clear: skills become outdated faster than ever before. New technologies emerge every year. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Cloud computing continues to reshape businesses. Cybersecurity threats are growing, and employers across the world are searching for professionals who can continuously learn, adapt, and prove their expertise. The question is, are you ready for the future? Introducing MyExamCloud, your trusted partner for professional certification success. Your AI-powered learning companion, your exam preparation mentor. At MyExamCloud, we believe that certifications are more than just credentials. They are career accelerators. They are confidence builders. They are opportunities that open doors to better jobs, higher salaries, promotions, and global recognition. For over a decade, MyExamCloud has helped learners across the world prepare for some of the most challenging IT certifications. From students taking their first certification exam to experienced architects preparing for advanced professional certifications, MyExamCloud has supported thousands of learners on their journey toward success. Today, MyExamCloud proudly stands as one of the world's most comprehensive AI-powered IT certification preparation platforms, covering hundreds of certification exams across multiple technology domains, including artificial intelligence, generative AI, agentic AI, cloud computing, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, Java, Python, data engineering, machine learning, cybersecurity, Kubernetes, DevOps, Databricks, project management, and many more. But MyExamCloud is more than a traditional practice test platform. We are building the future of intelligent learning, powered by artificial intelligence, designed for modern learners, built for real-world success. Imagine a learning platform that understands your strengths, identifies your weaknesses, adapts to your progress, and continuously guides you towards certification success. That is exactly what MyExamCloud delivers. Our advanced AI-powered learning system helps learners practice smarter, not harder. Instead of memorizing answers, you develop genuine understanding. Instead of repeating the same questions, you receive personalized learning experiences. Instead of guessing your readiness, you gain confidence through measurable progress. One of our most innovative solutions is the MyExamCloud AI Exam Generator, a revolutionary platform that allows students, teachers, trainers, professionals, and organizations to create customized practice exams using the power of artificial intelligence. Need a certification mock exam? Generate it. Need interview preparation questions? Generate them. Need a customized assessment for your team? Generate it. Need practice tests aligned to your learning objectives? Generate them instantly. All powered by AI. All designed to save time and improve learning outcomes. As artificial intelligence transforms the software industry, MyExamCloud is leading the next generation of certification preparation. With specialized content for AI developers, generative AI engineers, machine learning engineers, AI architects, agentic AI developers, AI transformation leaders, and future chief AI officers. Whether you're preparing for your first certification or building expertise in the latest AI technologies, MyExamCloud provides the resources you need to stay ahead. Comprehensive practice tests, realistic mock exams, detailed explanations, performance tracking, AI-powered learning assistance, and continuously updated content aligned with the latest certification objectives. Our mission is simple: to make high-quality certification preparation accessible to learners everywhere, to help professionals unlock their potential, to empower organizations with skilled talent, and to prepare the global workforce for the AI-driven future. Every certification you earn represents more than a passing score. It represents dedication, commitment, growth, and the courage to invest in your future. At MyExamCloud, we are honored to be part of that journey. The future belongs to continuous learners, The future belongs to innovators. The future belongs to professionals who embrace change. And the future belongs to those who are prepared. Whether your goal is becoming a certified developer, a cloud architect, an AI engineer, a data professional, or a technology leader, MyExamCloud is here to help you succeed. Join thousands of learners worldwide. Advance your skills, validate your expertise, accelerate your career, and prepare for the future with confidence. MyExamCloud, the #1 AI global IT certification platform. My Exam Preparation Mentor. Start your certification journey today.